At first glance, Taoist internal alchemy, the Gospel of Thomas, and early Buddhism seem different. However, beneath the differing metaphysics lies a shared, rigorous inner science of human transformation. The path of transformation starts by turning inward. The human baseline is normally scattered, divided, and externally controlled. The path forward involves knowing oneself, calming the body-mind system, and becoming whole. The shared enemy is not the world, but inner fragmentation. When one part wants truth and another chases stimulation, the person becomes divided, losing inner sovereignty. These traditions use three distinct vocabularies for one human problem. Daoism speaks of the scattering of the treasures, the Gospel of Thomas of inner division, and early Buddhism of the untamed mind. Daoism focuses on reversing the scattering of the three treasures: Jing, bodily vitality; Qi, energetic movement; and Shen, consciousness and attention. This process involves decoding metaphors like medicine and embryonic breathing. The Gospel of Thomas suggests that what is within a person must be brought forth. Otherwise, what remains unbrought forth becomes destructive. Unrecognized desire, fear, anger, and longing lead to compulsion and distortion. Buddhism emphasizes guarding the sense doors against external capture. The mind, like a restless monkey, is constantly seeking stimulation. The mandate is to prevent unwholesome states from overwhelming consciousness. The breath is the bridge between voluntary awareness and automatic regulation. We can consciously influence breathing to calm the body-mind system, a key practice in both Taoism and Buddhism. Internal regulation follows a biofeedback loop. Calmer breath leads to a calmer nervous system. This clarifies attention, weakens emotional reactivity, and reduces the control of desire and fear. Non-attachment does not mean rejecting life. It means creating space between stimulus and response, acting without being scattered, and living in the world without losing the inner center. The ultimate goals translate to human reality. Taoism seeks the elixir, or stable integration. The Gospel of Thomas seeks the kingdom through self-knowledge, and Buddhism seeks nirvana, the ending of compulsive suffering. It is important to respect the differences in the models. Taoism is an alchemical model, the Gospel of Thomas a mystical tradition, and Buddhism an analytic path. They meet at the level of practice. The shared human question is, can you become free from the forces that mechanically control you? Can you become inwardly clear, stable, and whole, stopping the control of craving, fear, and sensory addiction? The science of self-regulation shows that transformation requires training the whole system. The cycle of emotion, breathing, arousal, perception, behavior, and habit constantly reinforces itself. The real work is internal coherence. Human liberation begins with the disciplined integration of attention, emotion, desire, and breath. To become whole is to gather the divided self and life from a stable center.